So today's lesson is on ordering decimals, and just use a couple games as demonstration, and we'll look at the fraction pieces first, and then we'll see if we can't figure out how to order decimals just by looking at the proper fraction, the number fraction. Okay, here's a game here, and it's about looking at the size of the bubbles and choosing the one which is the smallest to the largest. Now this is obviously a bigger red, smaller red than that one. So this should be the first, that should be the second. Again here, small pie piece, large pie piece. Here's another one here, they're looking pretty close, but I think that this is small, this is next. That's a good guess. Well, obviously, smaller piece, bigger piece. Again, this seems to be working quite well. Obviously, 1/6 here versus 3/4. Now, we can see it when we look at puzzle pieces. So when we do this in our head and we just look at the number, then we should try and picture the puzzle pieces in our mind. So here's one pie or pizza with 6 pieces versus here's a pizza that's got 5. And we're eating 2 of them. So obviously this is smaller, this is bigger. And here again, 1 of 5 is here, 4 of 5s. So it's got the same number on the bottom. So we want to eat more pizza, that's the more pizza. So we get hungry and we get full. Again here, this has got more pizza would be eaten than here. And that's it. Okay, just going to switch off to another game here. That's the balloons, and now this is an ordering fraction game here. This is much the same, except we can put them in order by looking at the number in the pieces. Much the same, but they don't move around. Makes it a little bit easier. So we want to order from the least to the greatest. Here we go. Least, that's a small, yeah, that's a small piece, so that's got to go over there. Good. And then what's the next bigger piece? This one here. Then this one, and this is most of the pizza. So we got it right. Hey, thank you, squirrel, or groundhog. Now, let's play again here, and let's just have a look here. We'll do one more, just by looking at the pieces. That's the smallest piece that's filled, so that's gotta be there. Here's another one that's small. That's a bigger piece, over half. So we'll put that there. And here's another one. That's the smallest, right? Smallest piece not eaten. There we go. Now let's just change this game just a little bit. And we'll just look at the pizza pieces. Can we do that? Yeah, let's just look at the pizza pieces here. And we should be able to just see very clearly that one's the least. That one's the next, that one's the next, that one's the next. Easy when you can picture it. So let's make sure we do the picture. So let's go to this next one. And we'll bring this down. Let's picture this one. We have our fractions there. Which one is bigger, which one is smaller? Well, we have all of these 8s. So the big one's got to be the one with the most pieces of 8. Which would be, oh, we can't drag it. There it is. Here it comes. There. And then here's another one that's just 1 piece left. Okay. Now we got to decide on these two. Picture 1/4 of a piece of pizza. Picture 1/8 of a piece of pizza. This one is smaller. And this one. That's their order. If we come up, didn't stay. Okay, here's another bunch of 8s. Now, interesting here, here's a 2/4, which is a half. Well, half of an 8, if we have an 8, is 4 8s. So there they are, they're all 8s, easy enough. 4 8s first, 4 8s first. Let's pull this down just a little bit. 4 8s first, 5 8s, 5 8s next, 6 8s next, 7 8s next. So when we have equivalent fractions, it's really easy. Picture it. Picture in your mind. 2/3. It's pretty big. 6/8. That's a lot of an 8. 3/8, not many 8s. I don't know. Picture a quarter of a pizza. So you decide. I think that, hey, I got that one right. That's less than a half. That's more than a half. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this one's got to go over here. Yay! And this one, I don't know what's happening here. Let's grab it. Good. So again, all we do is have a picture in our mind. A picture in our mind. That helps. Picture, picture, picture. There they are. Done. Hello, me again. I'm here to show you a couple of examples on how to order decimals. Order decimals with the same bottom, like 1/7 and 2/7, and order decimals with different bottoms, like 1/9 and 1/11. So listen carefully. At the end, you will have 2 questions to do for homework. Question number 1 that I'm going to show you as an example is a number like 1/5 and 1/6. How do we order this? Which one is smaller than the other? As with the last lesson, I said you've got to picture this. You've got to see it in your mind's eye. See a pizza of 5 pieces, and you eat one of them. And then picture pizza of 6 pieces, and you eat one of them. Which one is larger? Well, the one with 5, I only give out to 5 friends. That leaves me more than if I had to give it out to 6 friends. So this is the larger one. So 1/5 is larger than 1/6. Okay, another example will be a fraction like 3/7 and 4/7. Which one is larger? Which one is smaller? Put them in the right order. Okay, again, we simply picture a pizza or something of 7 pieces. I like to look at food because I'm always hungry. So I have a piece of pizza that's got 7 pieces to it. Now I can eat 3 pieces or I could eat 4 pieces. I'd rather eat 4 pieces. I'd be much happier having more pizza. So that means this number here is 4 is bigger than 3. That's it. They have the same bottoms, then just look at the top. If they have the same tops, then look at the bottoms. Your question for tonight is put in order. Question number 1. Put in order 1/7 and 1/9. Smallest to largest, or use your greater than or equal to signs. Question number 2. Put in order 4/11, 4/7/11. You can put them in order, smallest to larger, or again, use your greater than or equal to sign if you're comfortable. That's it.